Papa Scott reads Barney Backhoe Loves to Build by Susan Knopf, illustrated by Bryan Ballinger. Barney Backhoe loves to build. Barney Backhoe digs holes for all kinds of houses. Small holes for small houses, big holes for big houses, and the biggest hole for the biggest house. Barney digs long holes for pipes. The pipes will carry water to the houses. Barney lifts wood with his forklift. This wood is for the walls. Barney carries small doors, and a very big door. Barney brings paints and brushes. There are different colors for different houses. Barney helped build small houses, big houses, and the biggest house of all. Can you see who lives in each house? The end.